My name is Helen Jafari, and my experience in this class was exceptional. It was awesome. It was amazing. I had a great time, lots of hands-on, and it truly exceeded my expectations. My experience prior to this class was very different. I had taken a lot of continuing ed classes, even some implant courses, that it's hands-on, but this class we got to do a lot of implants on live patient. Everything was super organized, and we got to do more implants than I was ever expecting to do. I placed close to more than 20 implants. What resonated the most, and I enjoyed, I enjoyed all of it, but that really different ways of communication, how to communicate with your patients and be able to present your treatment plan in a more effective way so they can understand and they can get started with their treatment. I do have the tools to be able to go and immediately place implants, but I feel I personally going to be a little bit cautious and kind of start it slow until I build up, and I'm planning to come to the next class. The atmosphere at the Institute was very friendly, very laid back, and everybody was willing to jump in and help you. It felt like you were back in dental school or residency. I thought they had great guest speakers, especially Dr. Chan that talked about occlusion. It was great. I thought they had great guest speakers and a lot of good products. I would definitely recommend this course to my friends, and I will be going back and telling my friends about it, and hopefully when I come back I can bring a friend with me.